What's going on, world? This is Brian coming back with another video about making money. All right, this is a savings app with a referral program. You get $5 when you sign up and also $5 for each referral. It's only available to the USA and they say they pay in about 24 hours. All right. When you sign up, you're going to choose the option that asks, are you an independent contractor? Then all you do is link a debit card. The Chime card accounts work and the Simple cards work just fine if you have either one of those. Then you set up a time off plan. You'll see the option when you sign up to set up a savings plan. You're going to choose time off plan. All right. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video as well as in the comments section. I will pin it to the top of the comments. When it says, what's your employment status? You're going to put you're an independent contractor. And then you will be credited your $5 in about 24 hours. You also can get your referral link and start referring others. Give them the same instructions I just gave you, and it's $5 per referral. All right, talk to y'all later.